Hello, trading is closed on June the 9th, 2016. We had a MEJT target from yesterday's trade of 21.1781. Was satisfied immediately, and at the end of the day was tested as resistance, which has held. During the day there was a sell signal in the morning, a buy signal in the afternoon, and each of those worked. I have no new MEJT targets. Let's talk about first the short term and then the long term. Short term, unless this is invalidated by gapping up or at least trading over this high early tomorrow, I think this is a weak action. We gapped under the prior 2 days lows, which shows those moves to be false moves. We rallied all day and couldn't close over the middle of the day high. That's not good. Gapping up or trading over this high early would invalidate that. Nothing's impossible, but rather than concentrate on the short-term trend, let's take another look at the long-term trend. I'm getting a lot of cyber flack because I've been persistently negative this last week while the market's been going up. So let's look at another reason why I'm not changing my opinion at this time. I'm pretty confident that was the high of wave 3, and this is an ABC. What isn't so clear is what's happened after that. Initially, because this counted in threes, I thought it was a wave X. If that were true, we should have started an ABC down. That didn't happen. I considered the possibility that this was wave 4 and that was wave 5, and this might be 2 of 5, but unless you break some of the rules, you just can't count this as a 5-wave structure. Something else must be going on. I think the most plausible thing is that this ABC is wave larger A, and this is wave B, which is at or nearing completion. Here's wave A, which is a clear 3-wave structure. Here's B. Wave C is a bit more complex, but you'll see everything until the last move counts as a 3. This A counts as a 3, 1, 2, 3. Here's your B, 1, 2, 3. Here's your C to give you a wave A of larger degree. 3 waves for A, 3 waves for B, 3 waves for a B of larger degree. And the only 5-wave structure we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's interesting is that the height of wave A is exactly equal to the height of wave C. So we have a nice ABC giving us a B, and if that count is correct, we should be in for a wave C, gray C down, and if it's equal to wave A, we're going back into the 1800s, which is what I've been looking for some time. This count also tells us a few other things. First of all, since this counts as threes, this is a corrective wave and not an impulsive wave moving to all-time highs. Now, the way this works, this last move here could be wave 1 of 5 waves of wave blue C. Anything's possible. If that were true, you'd have to talk yourself into this being an expanded flat. And I guess there's a way to count it that way. I think it's far more plausible that we've completed ABC with C equal to A, that we're due for a gray wave C down, and that it will happen pretty much from this area without new highs printing. So the call for tomorrow is, unless we take out this high promptly, lower prices should print at some time during the day. But more importantly, I'm sticking with my call that this is a major top. And that's today's call.